LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to an analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, we have to get the correction or either the price drop. This is what we get. But what we get, I mean, this is the correction we get, and this is what we have been looking for. But I mean, for buy setup, I mean, but the way it's moving is not really sharp. Anyone get the trade from here, at least know if they can manage. I mean, if they can move their stop loss to break even, they should. If not, then it depends on them how they manage it. At least move their stop loss to break even. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We start with the daily chart. As we can see, the price broke the previous top. I mean, if I refer it is 256. Now we see we're looking for continuation. We want to see whether the price can tag this top or not, which is 370. Okay, now I want to see how we can trade based on lower time frame. If we move to daily chart, and based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup as well because we have been looking for this correction and the price could continue and break this previous top based on daily chart. And if we put this top in relative to what we have here, we don't have, yes, we have a divergence here, and even based on MACD. Mostly we are not looking for reversal. What we can expect, we get the correction. Rather than that, we don't have anything. That's why if we want to look for buy based on lower time frame, we should have a proper trade setup. In case based on daily chart, it moved to the big correction similar to any of this. All right, rather than that, we don't have anything to discuss based on daily chart. And if we move to forward chart, as we can see from now, if we get any correction of leg, we can trade similar to any of this. And now we want to see what we get here. And even if you see we have a divergence, if we put these things in relative to each other, based on MACD, we doesn't have it, but based on this one, we have the divergence. As we can see, the price is dropping. All right, that's when both each of them give us a different information. And if I move to 1 hour chart, first of all, we check the indicators. We see what we have. We have a divergence, and as well here also we have a divergence. All right, that's why I mentioned anyone get a trade with it from this correction, at least they start to manage. And right now, if we get any correction or any flag, we can look for buy, but any buy will be a short term. Okay, that's me right now. We're looking for this. If we get any trade setup, we'll take it, but we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. All right, by the way, can we put this one in relative to this as a running flat? Also we can consider. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. As I mentioned, from now, if you want to trade based on the flag or small correction, we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage. And right now we're looking at this. We want to see how we can trade it. And we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.